Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content and myths grind. And today, we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity. This is a topic that's becoming more and more important as our lives move increasingly online. Specifically, we're talking about Snapchat hacking. Snapchat, as you know, is one of the most popular social media platforms out there. With over 200 million users, Snapchat is a prime target for hackers. The sheer volume of personal data shared on this platform makes it a goldmine for cybercriminals. We're going to break down 10 common hacking methods used in 2025 and how you can protect yourself. These methods range from phishing scams to more sophisticated attacks. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who values their privacy, this video is for you. We'll cover practical tips and tools that anyone can use. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of the cybersecurity landscape and the tools you need to level up your online security game. Let's get started. Stay tuned and make sure to take notes because this information could be crucial for keeping your data safe. Alright, let's kick things off with phishing attacks. These are some of the most common and dangerous threats in the digital world today. This is one of the oldest tricks in the book, but it's still incredibly effective. Despite advancements in technology, phishing remains a top method for cybercriminals to steal sensitive information. Hackers will send you fake emails, texts, or even Snapchat messages designed to look like they're from a legitimate source. These messages often mimic the style and tone of real communications from trusted companies. They might say something like, "We detected suspicious activity on your account. Click here to verify your information." This creates a sense of urgency, making you more likely to act without thinking. These messages can look incredibly convincing, complete with official logos. Cybercriminals go to great lengths to make their phishing attempts appear authentic. But if you click on that link, you're taken to a fake website designed to steal your login credentials. These sites often look identical to the real ones, making it hard to tell the difference. Always double-check the sender's address and be wary of messages that create a sense of urgency. Look for subtle signs that something might be off, like misspellings or unusual email addresses. Trust your gut and reach out to Snapchat directly if you have any doubts. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to protecting your personal information. Next up, we're talking about keylogging, a method as stealthy as it sounds. Keyloggers record every keystroke you make on your device. When it comes to Snapchat, keyloggers can be particularly dangerous. You might unknowingly install a keylogger by downloading a seemingly harmless app or connecting to compromised public Wi-Fi. Be extremely cautious about the apps you download, especially from third-party app stores. Stick to official app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and invest in reputable antivirus software. A good antivirus program can detect and remove keyloggers before they wreak havoc. Let's face it, sometimes humans can be the weakest link in the security chain, and that's where social engineering comes in. Hackers using social engineering are masters of deception. They might pretend to be a friend in need, a tech support agent, or even a potential love interest to gain your trust. Remember, Snapchat will never ask for your password over the phone or via email. Be skeptical, ask questions, and verify the identity of someone asking for your personal information. If something feels off, trust your instincts. Chapter 4. Hijacking your phone number. SIM swapping. It sounds like something out of a spy movie, but it's a real threat. Hackers gather personal information about you to impersonate you and contact your mobile carrier. They convince the carrier to transfer your phone number to a SIM card they control. Once they have your number, they can bypass two-factor authentication on your Snapchat account. Be extremely protective of your personal information online, and consider setting up a PIN code with your mobile carrier. Avoid sharing sensitive details like your phone number or address publicly on social media. Chapter 5. The Silent Observers. In this chapter, we delve into the hidden world of spyware, those silent observers that infiltrate our devices without us even realizing it. Spyware apps are designed to be stealthy, operating in the background without your knowledge. These malicious programs can be installed on your device through various means, often without any visible signs. They can track your every move, recording your Snapchat messages, calls, browsing history, and even your GPS location. Imagine someone having access to your private conversations and knowing your exact whereabouts at all times. Spyware often piggybacks on seemingly harmless apps or infected files from suspicious websites. These files can look legitimate, but once downloaded, they unleash their malicious payload. Be cautious about the apps you download, especially from third-party app stores. These platforms are less regulated and often host apps that haven't been thoroughly vetted for security. Stick to official app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These stores have stricter security measures in place to protect users from malicious software. Keep your device's operating system and apps up to date. Regular updates often include security patches that can protect your device from the latest threats. Consider investing in a reputable mobile security app that can detect and remove spyware. These apps provide an additional layer of protection, ensuring your personal information remains secure. Always read the privacy policies and terms of service before installing any app. Be mindful of the permissions you grant, as some apps may request access to more information than necessary. Chapter 6. The Password Recycling Threat. Reusing the same password across multiple accounts is like using the same key for your house, car, and office. If a hacker gets their hands on that one key, they unlock everything. Hackers collect stolen login credentials from data breaches and use automated software to try those credentials on other websites. Embrace the power of unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Password managers generate and store all your complex passwords securely. You only need to remember one master password. Chapter 7. Intercepting your connection. In the digital world, a man-in-the-middle attack is like someone eavesdropping on your conversations. Imagine you're connected to a public Wi-Fi network at your favorite coffee shop. A hacker infiltrates the network and positions themselves between your device and the Snapchat servers. Any data you send or receive is routed through the hacker's device. Be extremely cautious about using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive activities. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, or VPN. Chapter 8. The Imposters. Hackers often create fake apps designed to mimic the look and feel of legitimate apps like Snapchat. These imposter apps might be riddled with malware or designed to steal your login credentials. Always download apps from official app stores like the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Pay close attention to the app's name, developer information, and reviews. Look for inconsistencies or red flags like misspellings, low ratings, or negative reviews mentioning scams or malware. Separate the real deal from the imposters. Chapter 9. Cracking the Code. Brute force attacks involve a hacker using automated software to try countless password combinations. If you're using a weak or commonly used password, the process becomes significantly faster. Choose a strong, unique password that's at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication on your Snapchat account. This adds an extra layer of security, requiring a verification code sent to your phone in addition to your password. Chapter 10. Finding the weak points. No software is perfect, and that includes Snapchat. Snapchat can have vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit to gain unauthorized access. Snapchat's security team works tirelessly to identify and patch these vulnerabilities. Enable automatic app updates on your device to benefit from these security enhancements. Ensure you're always running the most secure version of the app. Outro, stay safe in the Snapchat world. So there you have it, 10 Snapchat hacking methods used in 2025 and the knowledge you need to defend yourself. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and keep those snaps secure. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends, family, and followers. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.